What up? I'm here with the division and team draw. We're doing this tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Appreciate the Phil. 8:35 p.m. Central Time. Same dice roll for both. Here's our list. 5 times. One. Oh, let's go divisions there. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Went on top. Never finishes on top. Only when he doesn't need to, apparently. We went 5. We'll come over here. We'll go 5. Ah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. One shot. NL East. Little Mickey Chase for Clint. We know that much. Andrew, you have AL Central. NL West going to the Dennis and Zach. Split Zach AL West. Dennis NL Central adjusted AL East. We went 5. We went 5. We're done. We'll see you tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I appreciate it, everybody. 8:37.